Lusandi Medical Animation Studio, using teaching as a way to keep your worries at bay.
Hello everyone, my name is Candice Hendricks and it is my absolute pleasure and privilege to introduce Lusandi Medical Animation Studio to you, or LMAS for short. LMAS was created as an animation studio to help patients and families who are going through so much. Children that are diagnosed with life-threatening or life-altering diagnoses really undergo a lot of stress, and so do their families. As a pediatric hematologist myself, I have walked this journey with patients and I have found the following challenges. Usually, when you break news to families the first time, the absolute sheer shock of that moment means that much of the information shared during those sessions is lost and not understood. Number 2, English is often not the first language of caregivers, or they are unable to speak English at all, which means that you need to counsel through an interpreter. What this means is that you actually have no way of knowing whether the information is being carried through correctly, although we know the interpreters are trying their best, and whether that information shared is actually being understood. So Lusandi Medical Animation Studio has been created to use teaching as a way to keep the worries of these families at bay. Number 1, we aim to educate families in an easily understandable electronic format in their home language about diagnoses, treatments and procedures that they are undergoing in hospital. Although the current videos are available in a few languages, we hope that one day every single Lusandi video will be available in all 11 South African languages. Number 2, we aim to empower patients and their families so that they are able to partake in their own patient journeys and ask questions in an open and honest manner. And number 3, we want to elevate the hospital experience by increasing inclusivity and alleviating anxiety. And it is our hope that in the long run, this will foster better healthcare worker-patient relationships. So the series we've created is narrated by the adorable 9-year-old Lusandi. Lusandi is herself a cancer survivor, and through that experience she now helps other children that are walking these journeys of life-altering diagnoses to tell them what to expect of the journey and with their diagnoses and procedures. So stay tuned over the next few days as we introduce the Lady of the Moment Lusandi and what our organization stands for. Bye!
I'm always here to guide, always by your side. Bye-bye!